Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Dawakhana, Gandhinagar, Jammu. Indian Army Lieutenant General Kanwaljit Singh Dhillon, General Officer Commanding of the Srinagar-based 15 Corpsman on Friday, appealed to the mothers in Kashmir to ensure their sons do not join terrorism. He also assured the mothers of those who have chosen the path of militancy but want to return that the army will ensure their return to the mainstream. India on Saturday said, if Pakistan claims to be a Naya Pakistan with Nayi Soch, it should show Naya action against terrorist groups and their infrastructure on its soil and end cross-border terrorism in support of its claims. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Ravish Kumar at a media briefing also said its non-military strike on Jaish-e-Mohammed camp in Pakistan achieved its desired objective and demonstrated the country's firm resolve to take decisive action against cross-border terrorism. Suspected terrorist on Friday night snatched the service rifle of a policeman in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district. The policeman is posted as a personal security officer of District Development Commissioner Kishtwar, Angrez Singh Rana. The area was immediately cordoned off and a massive hunt has been launched to nab the gunman and recover the looted weapon. Fugitive billionaire diamond tyre Nirav Modi, accused in the USD 2 billion PNB fraud case, is living openly in a swanky £8 million apartment in London's West End and is now involved in a new diamond business. In a video posted by the newspaper, Nirav Modi can be seen sporting a handlebar moustache and wearing an ostrich-hide jacket, estimated to cost £10,000. When journalists from the paper questioned him on various issues, including whether he has urged Britain to grant him asylum, Modi ducked them by saying, "Sorry, no comments." Prime Minister Narendra Modi said it was Pakistan which cried after the Indian Air Force carried out a strike at terror camps of Jaish-e-Mohammed deep across the line of control. He said Pakistan had done its preparation after Pulwama attack, expecting a post-Uri-style surgical strike, but we went by air. Congress chief Rahul Gandhi on Saturday asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to tell the nation that it was the BJP government which released terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar from an Indian jail. In a bid to create awareness among tech-savvy people, the Press Club of Jammu, in collaboration with Google, on Saturday organized a day-long workshop. A teaching fellow from Google, News Lab Geetika Rastogi, who had come all the way from Delhi-based Google head office, along with trainers Archana Kumari, Department of Mass Communication, Central University, Jammu, and senior journalist cum Google trainer Deepak Khajuria, delivered lectures on various topics related to security safety in social media world. The speakers threw light on topics like digital safety and security, YouTube for election, and photo and video verification. Residents of Ratian village in Udhampur district are exasperated over the poor condition of Mahatma Gandhi Marg, which is crying for government attention since ages. Thousands of people use this road daily, but every time concerned authorities end up giving false assurances. Now, people have sought the governor's intervention into the matter as the concerned department failed to repair the road. Traffic Police Doda, under the leadership of District Superintendent Doda Kishtwar Zuhaib Pategru, started a crackdown on the violators to streamline traffic system in Doda. He said that in the year 2018, more than 60 vehicles have been seized and over 18,000 vehicles challenged, recovering around ₹65 lakh as fine. He added that for over 800 kilometers of road length, only 50 police corps are available. District Development Commissioner Budgam Dr. Syed Sehrish Asghar today inaugurated a KGVB school building at Patvo in Budgam. The school building, constructed by Engineering Wing of School Education Department at a cost of ₹62 lakh. The school, constructed by Ministry of MHRD under KGVB scheme, will facilitate quality education to girls belonging to weaker section of the society.